In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a pop-up form that slides into view on scroll. So I'll start by adding a form to my page. So this form is already designed, and I'm going to ensure this form has a viewport height of 100, and I'm going to make sure it's fixed positioned. I'll position it to the right. Have set a Z index here of 3, so it's above the top nav. And now with this form selected, I'm going to contain it. Command Enter on Mac. I'll name this Popup. I'll create a component. Component created. I'm just going to delete the components I do not need, and I'm going to name this one Open, and then I'm going to set the width and height of the Open variant to fit, and the form I'll once again ensure that this has the viewport height set, and then I'm going to create a closed variant. This closed. From the primary component, the open component selected, I'm going to select the close button. I'll remove this interaction as I want to create a transition. So I want a transition to the closed, and then I'll leave that as that. And then with the closed variant selected, I'm going to ensure that the overflow is set to hidden or clip, and then for the open I want to have this as visible so that I have the shadow that I have for this form visible. And then I'll go back to the closed variant, and I'll set the width and height to 1, opacity to 0. And this is optional. I can add a pointer event to this. Yeah, pointer event none, and also optionally I can also just set the visibility to no. So I'm going to go back to my page and ensure that I have my fixed positioning set. And I'm going to set the width and height to fit. I can preview this. I can see that I need to add a Z index to my form, so I'm just going to go Style Z index, and I'll set a Z index that's higher than the top nav. So I can preview this, and now I have my form, which is fixed, but now I'm going to add the slide-in effect. So I'm going to ensure I still have my form selected, go to scroll animation, choose section in view, choose my section. This will be the features section. I'll leave the viewport as like that. I'll remove the exit effect, and I'm going to set an offset that's wider than the form itself, and then I'll just adjust the spring transition, and then I'll preview that. Once I reach the features section, it should slide in, and now I can fill in the form and close the form. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos.